In a sunny savanna near a sparkling river lived a little elephant named Elle. Elle had the softest gray ears and the biggest, kindest heart, but she was also very shy. Every morning, the animals gathered to watch the sky. High above them appeared Rainbow, bright and beautiful. But today, Rainbow looked faded and nervous, like it was trying to hide. "I think Rainbow is shy too," Elle whispered. The other animals laughed. "Rainbows aren't shy," said Monkey. "They're loud and colorful." But Elle wasn't so sure. That afternoon, a gentle rain fell. Elle walked slowly to the river and lifted her trunk. She sprayed water into the air, just a tiny splash at first. Shimmer! A small rainbow peeked out. Elle smiled. She sprayed again, a little higher this time. Glow! Rainbow grew brighter. "Don't worry," Elle said softly. "You're beautiful." With each splash, Rainbow stretched wider and brighter until it filled the whole sky. The animals gasped in amazement. Monkey clapped, zebra stomped, birds sang. Rainbow wasn't shy anymore, and neither was Elle. That night, as the stars twinkled above, Elle felt warm and proud. She learned that sometimes all it takes is a little kindness to help something wonderful shine. And from that day on, whenever a rainbow appeared, everyone knew Elephant Elle helped it feel brave. The end.